I want it to be heavy on this side because all this is going to get covered and the seam's going to be here, so we want it to be as smooth as possible. Okay. We're probably going to shim this up to bring it up a little bit since it's got a little lip. Elevate this so that. How can you do that then? Take it out. We'll just unscrew these parts and then run some shims underneath so it brings up the floor, so that we don't have this. Edge. Yep. There's those supports underneath, right? Yep. So we've got. And you should be able to just get like a chalk line and line it up with these, and we'll snap a line because we know that'll show that the metal beam's in the middle. So we've got one in the middle. Yeah, screw it down. And then on this side, we've got one here. Then we've got one here. Yep, it's a line with chalk on it. 12 inches. 12 inches. All right, you gotta hold it tight. So then, yeah, and the other one. And then measure the distance from the edge of the board to that. .25.5. So we're just making sure that our line is square. That way we know the beam is square. Because if we didn't measure and it was like this, we wouldn't be on this. We wouldn't be on the beam. You said 25.5. Cool. Got it. Yep. Cool. So we can screw that down. And then when you do these, we'll go probably like a ½ inch from the edge. And these are the wood to metal self-tappers.
Yeah, there's like what we use over there, right?
Yep. Probably do one every foot. Yeah, do like 1, 2, 3, 4.
One on the edge?
Yeah. Because that beam stops right here. You see it? That beam goes all the way down. This build, and I don't have a truck, so I need to return these things to the Home Depot, get some of this money back. Because each one of these is like $70. There's 3 of them. 3 times 7 is $210. took out probably, I don't know, like 35 pounds worth of wires yesterday. Made a huge mess, but we're about to go to the store to return all that stuff. And then I need to get some unistruts so I can attach them to these ribs to do a hoist system and a tracking system. Then I need to get materials for the walls, the ceiling, the bed frame, 2x4s. I use 1/8 inch birch for the ceiling usually. And then for the walls, I either use 1/2 inch or 3/4, depending on what's being fastened to it. I used to save all this wire, but then I realized I keep saving it and I never use it. This is all just unnecessary wires. Can you recycle this stuff? I don't know what that's worth. So I got a little side job doing this shipping container stuff, helping these guys out. The space next to mine. This is a little pot. It's like 8x10 by 9.6. It's called a high top. But anyways, I got all this spray foam in here, and I'm gonna put up some like shiplap looking stuff. If you're having to clear your spray foam, a wire wheel brush, man, this is working well. Clearly it's a bit of a disaster to do, but this is efficient. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of these boards done with one outlet. That's kind of tricky. I filmed nothing of that because I'm trying to like focus on what I'm doing because I'm new to this side and like starting a project. I don't want any distractions, but that's that. Should we get one of those?
So unbelievably amazing in that toy store today.
Yeah.
We walk in and he's looking at all the things and he goes, oh, I don't want this one, so I have to put it right back where I found it. And he said that every single time he grabbed a toy, he goes, no, actually I don't think I want this one, let me put it right back. And then he goes, whoa, this one's probably expensive. We'll put this one back, I don't need it. And then I go, well, here's the thing, buddy, you can choose one toy and one piece of candy. And he goes, okay, great, Mom. And so he goes, after we went through the whole store, he walks over and picks that cute little plane, and then he goes, can I pick out a piece of candy for all of those too? I was like, you can have anything you want. You're so cute.
Thank you, Dad.
All right. Hey, open it for us too.
Thank you.
Yeah. No, mine.
Okay. Now close it. Underwater. Okay, here, watch. We'll do it together. Look, ready?
Yeah,